study, scores, exams, words every student is familiar with. But with these words come a combination of pressure, confusion, and sometimes excessive workload. To combat this arose StudyMate, a tuition center with a difference that helps sharpen the minds of students. Hindustan Times Group began its journey into the educational space with its supplement HT Horizon. Partnerships with numerous schools for HT PACE complemented this initiative. Soon after, we came into partnership with a proven player, MT Educare Private Limited. StudyMate tuition centers fill the gap in the education space. It emphasizes academic excellence by reinforcing concepts. Its 5 edge points ensure students always stay ahead.
We have the best teachers available in the country probably, and they are able to deliver the best to the student in a very result-oriented manner. We constantly test the student how much he or she is learning in a very regular and a periodic manner, and we give that feedback constantly to the parents, and that really helps us to build relationships with the parents and students alike. The unique experience that the kids get to us by learning and making their results much better than what they were doing earlier really helps sharpen their minds and makes us a very unique organization.
At StudyMate, we are also constantly striving to devise new courses and techniques to help our students brush up on the complete course and ensure they're well prepared for the exams.
We provide them a very friendly environment to the students so that they can ask their doubts anytime to the teachers and they don't carry their doubts with them to the examination hall.
They were coming with a new concept of teaching with a difference, teaching with the help of new technology, where every lesson was taught taking into account the difficulty level of the students. The lesson plans were framed in such a manner, and we also thought that with the help of technology, with the help of TAT, we can make learning a better experience for the students, much more interesting.
At StudyMate, we nurture the minds of students for an overall development through various value-added sessions.
Here we are having seminars and workshops on stress management, time management. That also helps me in bringing out best out of my student.
We just not only are interested in giving the academic knowledge to the kids, but we also want to impart values and virtues as much as possible. The reason is only because we are not just their academic teachers, but we are their academic parents. At the end of the day, we don't want them to earn degrees. We want them to be a great human being.
With over 340 students, we've come a long way.
Concentrating on theory and rote learning and cramming things is not what development means, education means. It's something beyond this, and StudyMate has made it easier for us to reach that level.
Teachers here have been more friendly and more caring. They clear each and every doubt of us, and they have 24-hour helpline services. And it may be evening, night, 8 or night or midnight. We can call them and ask them, and they are free to clear their doubts and everything.
The road is long, but with constant dedication, we are certain to live the dream of a brighter and sharper tomorrow.
We're gonna win.